In the last video, we show you how to replace this valve right here. This guy got messed up. And now the recommendation from Rinnai Tech was to replace all the sensors. This right here. And we got another one right there in the back. I don't know if you've seen it, but we're gonna replace also this guy right here. We'll show you how to do it. Here we go. I'm gonna remove this special screw right here. We already removed this one. And we're gonna remove this one, just pulling it out like that. If you don't want to get confused as you are pulling them out, you should put them back, and that way you won't get confused. Put the screws back together. Go. And as you're going to follow same path, that way you won't get confused. And you remove this one. Put the new one in. Make sure you follow this channel right here. That's gonna be touching the pipe, so you gotta make sure you put it right, and that way you won't get confusions. Put it like that. And this, right there, and then we just need to bring this one up there. Put the last sensor out, remove the clip, put it into the new one, and just put it back where it belongs. There. All right, that's it. So we replace this guy right here, this guy right here, this one, and that one over there. Thanks for watching.